This is a CD, so
recommended by Tyler Heimdall.
Let's do it. What's wrong?
You gotta press cancel.
Alright. Holy crap! That's like right off the bat.
Dude, it cracked.
I know it cracked. Like, see it.
It's freaking awesome.
It's like it just pops out.
Oh, shiny. Alright, that's tight.
Thanks, Tyler Heimdall.
Alright.
Dude, look at
Holy
it.
crap. I like that.
That's so cool. Can you see it?
Yeah.
Alright. That's pretty tight. Alright, we're gonna put an egg in the microwave.
Egg.
Egg! Egg!
It's a
Egg!
cold egg. It has to be cold.
Egg. Egg.
Egg! 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 Egg!
Ready, set.
Stand back.
This is
Stand back! What the microwave falls? Hey, baby, they have enough egg in it.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Try the one.
Good bag.
Bring another.
Come on! This one has to do something, or else I'm not.
Egg.
It smells like nasty egg there. Yeah, you farted. Nothing else.
Oh!
Egg. Egg.
Oh, yeah, baby!
Egg. Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna have to take the camera with me on this one. Alright. It smells like eggs.
Egg.
Dude,
Eggs.
those are good.
Alright. There's your nice,
Egg.
yummy egg. It smells really good, I think. And here, let me just turn on
Parts
some.
of the egg are green from the marker.
Oh, that's nice.
Egg.
Oh, that's tasty right there. Well, that's an egg for you. Alright.
Egg.
Alright, this is a lighter. And
What kind of?
Pita corn? It's really good.
alright, lighter.
What kind of?
Holy crap!
Give the chills. Feel like something. Dude!
Oh, snap. What is that? Everyone's too bad.
I know, I thought the lighter was like. Lighting by
This is
itself.
beautiful.
Look at the metal, it's turning. Look it apart. If it melts, the gases are gonna get out, and then the metal is gonna cause a spark.
That's what I want. I told you we should have done this one last. That was so cool.
I thought the lighter was lighting, like turning on. I was like,
We have to leave it in there longer.
look at the metal part. Dude, look at the bottom edge. Look at the bottom right edge.
It's leaking. And it's falling apart.
Oh, there's the gas.
Okay, I see the
There's
smoke.
the gas. Stand back and go.
Sparks.
Oh crap.
Yes. Yes.
Dude, look at that. Look at
Oh,
that. It's on fire.
beautiful.
Get up. Mark's
It'll leave it closed.
Dude, I'm so screwed up.
It's on fire.
It's on fire, Oscar.
Dude, Sophie.
It's just gonna Stop. Oh
Let
my
me go
god.
reset it. Go reset it.
This is hilarious.
Here, I'll go reset it.
No, don't. I want.
You want me to reset it?
You
Look,
can't.
it's
You can't
still-
see the flame.
Here, I'll reset it. Get ready to scrunch.
Just. All right. I don't know. Oh. Oh man.
What if
Well,
what if my mom sees
This is good.
Dude,
Oh, it's shooting out. Oh, that's beautiful.
look at Colin.
He farts to a shirt.
I got one in my pants.
Alright, pull the plug. It's on fire. That's just the metal. Alright, that is crazy.
Wait, leave it, Ugo. Can you see it?
You can barely see
Yummy.
that, but like, there's a flame in the microwave. And
You want me to turn on the bottom light?
no. And like, that's the flame, and it's in the microwave. Open the door. Alright, everyone's quiet. Alright, that's the little flame. Let's turn on the light. Alright, see? It's completely melted. It's sizzling right now. Oh, just...
What if it melts?
That's the light right there. And that's pretty good.
There's going to be no more room for other stuff.
Alright, we need to put this out so we can take it off the...
Pull it out now.
Well, that's... No. It gets worse as we blow on
Put
it.
out with the second glass.
Ooh, that's good. Alright, look at that. That's pretty cool.
I gotta pee.
You cannot say that is not cool.
I gotta pee.
Well, that used to be lighter, and then that used to be the lighter tip. Alright. Well, that's a lighter in a
Pee on
microwave.
that.